Are you struggling to find top talent for your automation or manufacturing business? Do you feel like you're being inundated with resumes that just aren't the right fit? If so, you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll show you how to make your hiring process stress-free and ultra effective. Today, we're gonna dive into how Ventech Search can solve your talent crisis fast. With over 20 years of experience, we specialize in finding all-star talent for manufacturing and automation companies. Whether you need an executive leader or a skilled technical expert, we've got you covered. Now, here's why you need to watch this video until the very end. Not only am I going to show you how Ventech Search can help you fill your roles, but I will also reveal a secret strategy we use to ensure your hires are a perfect fit and stick around for the long haul. Plus, I've got a bonus tip that could save you a ton of time and money on future hiring. You won't want to miss this one. Let's break down how Ventech Search works. Step 1, we do a 45 to 60 minute deep dive to help us identify your exact needs. We dig deep to understand your company culture, your growth plans, and what truly makes someone a perfect fit. But more importantly, we seek to understand the intangibles that you look for in a successful hire. Because at the end of the day, we can find someone with all the qualifications in the world, but if they don't have the DNA to match the existing top performers in your company, it's just not the right fit. Step 2, depending on the level of service you need on your search, you don't just get one recruiter, you get a team of recruiters, including a research team and a project manager who research, recruit, screen, and thoroughly vet candidates before we send them to you. While most of our competitors focus on speed over thoroughness, at Ventech Search, we do a deep dive into the candidate market to make sure every possible candidate in your market is aware of your opening, not just the candidates sitting in our database or in our LinkedIn network. With that said, we still have a solid track record of filling most of our searches in less than 40 days. We've got a network of over 20,000 vetted candidates, people who are not just looking for any job, but are open to the right opportunity. We don't rely on job boards and LinkedIn alone. We target the top 10% of talent, learn what their career goals look like, and then line them up with your opportunity when the time is right. Step 3, we have an industry-leading recruitment marketing campaign that includes video presentation of your job, email marketing, LinkedIn outreach, and old school cold calling. This combined guerrilla marketing outreach, meeting passive candidates where they're at and presenting them with your opportunity in a way that very few recruiters use, is the exact reason why we get passive candidates to listen to the opportunity with your company. Step 4, we personally interview each candidate to ensure they're a perfect match for your needs. Then we only present you with the best 2 to 4 candidates so you can focus on running your company. And with our 90% hit rate on resume submission to first time interview, this guarantees you that you'll be spending your time talking to all-stars, not on endless interviews. So here's why this matters. When you hire Ventech Search, you're not just filling a position, you're hiring a key player who will drive the growth of your company. And with our approach, you minimize turnover, which means more stability and less stress for you. Wondering about that bonus tip that I mentioned earlier in this video? Ventech Search doesn't just help you fill today's roles, Ventech Search can help you plan for the future. We've helped companies just like yours create talent pipelines for current and future roles that are planned for the next 12 to 18 months. So when it's time to grow, we have candidates ready to interview. Imagine having an all-star talent lined up and on the bench, ready to jump in as your company expands. This is the secret weapon that allows you to move from reactive hiring to proactive hiring, while having the top specialized recruiter in your industry working for you in the background and shrinking your recruiting time. Ready to take the stress out of hiring? Click the description below to get in touch with Ventech Search today. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you're looking to partner with a specialty recruiting firm that truly understands your industry and your business.